Bruh.
Whoa! Are these eggs?
They're eggs from a chicken,
Holy
actually.
shit. What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Nav, and today we're gonna be vlogging a very cool experience. Patricia and I are going to be going to our upgrades appointment, decor appointment number 2 for our second investment property. So super cool. We're gonna take you guys with us and show you exactly how it's done. The house that we're currently living in was also pre-construction, so we have the experience on where to spend our money and where not to spend our money with these upgrade appointments. So with this house specifically, there's almost a 0% chance of us moving in. So we're gonna be doing the upgrades specifically as an investment property. Note to self, right? I mean, if you're going to move into a pre-construction, go crazy. Go crazy! Personalize the home, do whatever makes you happy. But when you're doing it for an investment property, there are things that I would suggest you to spend money on, but overall, you got to keep it as minimal as possible because cash flow is king with an investment, and obviously you're looking for a higher return when you eventually sell the property. So we're gonna have some breakfast right now. Patricia's making some avocado toast. Oh,
Hard-boiled egg.
I've never seen eggs before, but these are eggs.
They're from a chicken.
Probably gonna make a coffee. We'll see you guys soon.
They don't even know who Patricia is.
It's obvious you're like my
just
maid.
your maid.
Oh, hell no!
I don't know. I'm really picking either between the beige or the grays for the bathroom, but since we're going for the beige look on the flooring and we're doing a concrete look in the foyer and in the powder room, just so we don't shock the future purchaser or whoever it is that walks through the home, I'm thinking we should tie in the main floor with the upstairs and then stick to the concrete look. Because in my opinion, if we're going for the concrete look on the main floor and then we randomly hit one of the bathrooms with black upstairs, it's just, there's a chance that, you know, they like one half and they don't like the other. But if we keep it all the same, it's just less of a surprise.
So we're thinking to do a two-tone kitchen, and we're gonna do black cabinets, and most likely leaning towards something like this so it can be a nice contrast with the oak and the black. Could look really good. This is our flooring, so you can see could tie in really well together.
Okay guys, we're done. We finished all the upgrades. We're gonna go through the costs right when we get back home, but for now, just a quick heads up, we did a two-tone kitchen with white countertops. We did a concrete tile. Yeah, it's gonna be really, really nice. We did concrete tile look. It's gonna look super custom, super luxurious. Definitely something you don't see from builders. And we didn't really even spend that much. But in case we don't end up flipping the home, it's definitely a home that we can move into if we decide to do so. But, I'm really, really excited. I mean, their finishes are absolutely stunning. Huge shout out to Opus Homes, one of my favorite builders in the whole city right now. I just love working with them as a realtor and as a buyer. So I'll see you guys at home, and then we'll go through all the costs and see exactly how much we ended up spending. How'd we do? All right, you guys, we're back. All right, you guys, we're back. And all right, you guys, after a very long day, we're finally back home. So let's go over these numbers. But all right, you guys, after a very long day, we're finally back home, and let's get straight into these numbers. Now, before we do that, we had a little bit of change of plans. Remember when I said there was a 0 chance of us moving in? Yeah, well, about that. Yeah, based on current market conditions, there is a chance we're gonna move into this home. So there was a little personalizing, but overall, any money that we do spend on a pre-construction when it comes to the upgrades, we'll eventually get a return on investment anyway, because the home is not gonna look like a basic builder home. We really wanted this home to stand out. We're definitely not making this home a rental property just based off of the location of its home. It's not really the priority. It's either we move into it or we flip the house. So let's jump right into the numbers. The first thing that we did, and I think this is really, really important, the smooth ceilings. So we did main floor smooth ceilings and the second story hallway smooth ceilings, not the bedrooms because they wanted $1,000 per bedroom, which is a little crazy if you ask me, but we spent $3,500 on smooth ceilings for the main floor and the second floor hallway. The next thing we did was the shower pot light. This was $350. I think this is a great investment because I hate showering in the dark.
No shit.
And I'm sure other people hate showering in the dark as well.
No shit.
So 350 bucks for a pot light in the shower, not too bad. The next upgrade we picked was iron pickets for the staircase. I am a big fan of iron pickets. What we're really trying to avoid is making the home look standard. I absolutely hate builder standard finishes. So for example, doing something as simple as metal pickets in the staircase, it shows that the home has been upgraded. It's just something that catches a buyer's eyes, and it shows that there was that effort to spend extra money to make the home feel a little bit more special. So the iron pickets were $1,800. Another big upgrade that we did do, which I highly recommend, is a frameless shower for the master ensuite. Really, when you're doing these upgrades with pre-construction, you want to do the things that you really can't do later when you get possession of the home. If you don't do the frameless shower with the builder and you just get a regular standard shower, well, there's drywall everywhere. So eventually, if you wanted to knock that wall down, you're actually gonna have to redo the whole shower, meaning all the tiling, the wall, the restructuring, the reframing, all that fun stuff. So might as well pay the builder to just do the frameless shower. It looks beautiful and it's just gonna avoid a huge headache for later on. And that was $800. The next thing we did was upgrade the flooring to a level 2 flooring. It's laminate flooring, unfortunately, but really good laminate flooring. This was a $1,300 upgrade to get a level 2 laminate flooring, and this is going to be for the main floor, the second floor hallway, as well as the kitchen. I personally don't like having tiles in the kitchen. I like to replace that with either hardwood or laminate. But when you do upgrades on the flooring, you also have to match the staircase. That's where they get you. In order to match the stain on the staircase to the flooring, we had to pay another $3,800. So overall, the flooring was around $5,000. We also upgraded the front door handle to a black handle instead of a chrome one. This was about 150 bucks, not too expensive, but it'll just make the door look a little different compared to all the rest of the neighbors. It'll just, again, first impression, if anyone walks into the home later on in the future, they'll notice the door handle is a little different. We also upgraded the foyer tiles to a level 2 tile. This costed us $800 and we went for a concrete look. It looks really good. And we matched the powder room with that as well. And that costed about another $150. So the foyer and the powder room tiles, about $1,000 total. And again, the first impression of a home is so important. So when a future buyer walks into this home and they see the upgraded foyer tiles, they see the smooth ceilings immediately, they know that the home is upgraded and it's not a standard builder home. The next upgrade, which was my personal favorite, was we did a two-tone kitchen. Now, this was a little ballsy because, I mean, we pretty much like customized the kitchen to the max. But again, it's really gonna look like a custom home with a two-tone kitchen. So what we did was we did a lower half black, white quartz countertops, and then a brownish beige top half of the kitchen, which will kind of blend in with the flooring of the home. It's gonna look stunning, and again, it's gonna look like a custom home, and it's gonna definitely stand out from the rest of the builder homes in the subdivision. And last but not least, the countertops, which I think is really important. We actually spent the most amount of money on the countertops, but again, when someone walks into the home and they see upgraded quartz countertops, it just, like, the kitchen is a highlight of the home. It's like the most important part of a home. So having a two-tone kitchen with really upgraded quartz countertops, it'll go a long way. So we actually spent $38.50 on the quartz countertops. And that's pretty much it. We didn't go too crazy. We spent around $17,500 plus tax, which equates to $20,000. Damn, it does add up pretty quickly. But the builder was generous enough to give us a $5,000 upgrade credit. So really we spent $15,000. And when you're buying pre-construction, you actually only pay 25% upfront for the upgrades. So what really left my pocket was only $3,800. Not too bad. And the rest of the amount will just be added to the purchase price of the home and will be taken care of later with financing. I mean, I guess we did get a little personal with the home, but Opus Homes is just such a good builder. Their finishes were just so stunning. The key takeaway is, as long as you're not renting the home, if you're looking to flip the home or move into it, just make the home stand out. Make sure it just doesn't look like everyone else's. If it looks like a typical builder home with $0 spent, you know, you're not gonna get the greatest return on your investment. You're trying to make money, so in order to make money, you gotta spend some money. And there you go, guys, that's it. We just did our decor appointment for our second investment property, and now we wait. The waiting game is fun. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Again, if you guys are looking to move into the house or flip the home, the biggest suggestion I can make to you is just make the home stand out. Try to avoid the builder standard finishes, but obviously spend wisely and don't go too crazy. So with that being said, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed the video, hit the like button, hit the sub button, and if you guys have any questions or want recommendations on your own upgrades for your own pre-construction, drop them down in the comment section down below. My name is Nav, and I'll see you guys in the next video.